This video is sponsored by Magbak, the only case I use for these expensive iPhones. What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, and today we're going to unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max and also talk about how to protect your prized possession with Magbak, my go-to brand for not only my phone, but also to my car. As always, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on your push notifications. Oh, and I'll be leaving the discount code below, so make sure you pay attention. Actually, you don't have to pay anything. It's free, but you get that joke? Okay, so let's do this unboxing thing. I mean, who doesn't like watching someone unbox a box, right? But hey, it's the iPhone Pro Max, and you can't get enough of those unboxings, right? Okay, so let's see if this is worth the hype and get this over with. So here's the box. It's nice, it's small, minimalistic, nice and sleek, just like every other iPhone box ever. But I'm sure this one is different somehow, some way. All right, so let's reveal this masterpiece. There. Right there. Let's. Whoa. Ta-da! It's the iPhone. But wait, it has more cameras. It has more cameras actually than I have friends. Because who needs real life human interaction when you have more camera lenses, right? That sounded so sad. Not sure about your experience, if you experienced the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it does feel a lot premium, a lot more premium, and it's also a little bit heavier. So I guess you kind of get a workout just holding the device itself. I can see some bicep curls going on there. Yeah, whoa. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice and clean and crisp. Now let's see what else we have in here. Ah, a charger. Oh wait, no brick. I guess Apple decided to save the planet by including something that you actually need to charge the phone. Thanks Apple for making us buy another one separately. All right, let's put it to the side. So let's look at this phone. Ooh, let's look at it next to my giant hand. There you go, right there. Okay, we're done here. If you are in the market for an iPhone, I'm sure you've seen reviews on the best gaming iPhone out there. All right, so let's protect your new gaming system from the elements with the sponsor of this video, Magbak. Both the case and wallet is packed with incredible features that make this a must-have accessory for your brand new iPhone. So let's dive into it. I've been using Magbak cases for a few years now, and I've always gotten the color. This time I'm going with a clear case so I can actually see the color of my phone. And if you like colors, Magbak definitely has that on their website right now. Let's go ahead and put this in here and snap it into place just like that. Perfect fit. It fits seamlessly. I can see the color of my phone. It is nice and clear. Wow, this actually feels good. A little bit slippery, but it has some grippiness to the sides here. So I think it will fit perfectly. I just need to get a screen protector and I should be good to go. I also like how I have a little lip here to protect the lens of your camera. So if you lay it down flat, you're not scratching the lens on your cameras. I also love their wallets. I'm living in the future right now and I don't carry many cards aside from the key for my car. The wallet keeps it close by in case my tech fails when I'm trying to open my door to my car. I'm currently rocking a Saffiano leather wallet because I am elegant. It holds up to 3 cards nice and tight. Everything in here is magnetic and the strength is there too. The Magbak Case and Wallet offers an unbeatable magnet connection between them, thanks to its powerful MagSafe compatibility. If you have a Tesla charger, you can secure your phone to it on the go in both landscape and also portrait mode. It also includes a magnetic strip that can be used for a number of things aside from the phone mount itself. I personally stuck the extra strips to remote so I can magnetize it to specific locations. Regardless, where there is metal, your phone can be secure in one spot, getting the perfect angle if you don't have someone to hold your phone. This case is reliable for your mini gaming system. Hey, don't come for me. Apple said that, not me. Check out my site for MagSafe products and also use my code during purchase to save money on all that merch you're going to save at my shop. Come on, Mixonites, you know I'm gonna plug myself. Thanks again, Magbak, for sponsoring this video. Mixonites, also share this with other future Mixonites so we can get that party started. Workouts, they are coming your way. I have a few more races to complete. Once that is done, it is back to flex season. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found value in my work. And as always, I will flex with you on the next one. Peace.